Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Blessed Hiras, and today I'm going to show you how to pre-mix your whitening face cream for that flawless and spotless face. And I bet if you use this recipe, your face is going to do the talking in public for you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's slide into the video right now. So in here I have my quick clear face cream, which clears the face, gives a uniform color, and keeps your face spotless and flawless. It also removes dark eye circles, blemishes, acne and pimple scars. It also clears sunburns and whitens the face as well. So you can use this quick clear face cream alone, but if you want it to be very effective, then you have to add the other whitening agent. So please watch this video to the end to see how I mix it to get that flawless and spotless face. So make sure when you're getting the quick clear face cream, you get the original one, like this one with this label, to make sure it's genuine, because the market is now saturated with fake products. So make sure you're getting the original one in order not to hurt your skin. So I used 3 containers of the quick clear face cream, as you can see in the video. So next I'm going to use 3 Beta face cream. This is how it looks. Please don't allow eczema or pimple scars to give you 2 colors. Clear them at once with 3 Beta cream and have a radiant skin. It also tones the skin as well. So I'm going to add this full tube to my quick clear face cream in the container.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart
Next, I'm going to add Apovet Lightening Face Cream, which lightens skin tone and provide an even skin complexion, and it also makes your skin fairer. It contains vitamin C and E to help lighten your skin. It is active against acute dermatitis, eczema, and allergic reaction. So I'm going to add the full tube to my cup before. So I'm going to add everything. Don't waste in here. So make sure you add everything to the cup. And this is my Shenique concentrate, which is a strong whitening serum for the face, and result is visible in 3 days when you use this serum. This serum helps cure and prevent strong whitening cream and gel reactions. It clears sunburns, rashes, and other skin problems caused by bleaching creams. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the concentrate in my cream. And here I have quick clear remover, which is super whitening serum for skin burns, acne, pimples too. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon to my base cream.
I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge.
Next, I have my Alpha Arbutin serum, and this serum treats your skin overnight, help prevent premature aging, reduces dark circles, and is very active in treating skin problems. So you can use this serum alone, and I will make a video particularly on this serum. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to get the chance to view this video. My next video on this serum, and many more amazing videos coming your way. So I'll add 3 drops to the cream. If you have watched this video to this end, don't forget to like this video and share this video as well. So now is the time for me to mix everything together. So mix. And here my spatula is not doing justice to when it comes to the mixing, so I'm going to drop the spatula and use my hand mixing machine to continue the mixing. Enjoy this video to the end. When you try this recipe at home, don't forget to give me the feedback in the comment section. So my next video, bye, and thank you for watching my video, bye. And oh, I almost forgot, no need for you to add any preservative because this is pro-mixing, so no need for you to add any preservative to it. Bye.
High.